But how do we actually add a completely new section to our page? Well, to do that, we first have to go to where we want to add that new section. For example, I want to add one right here. So all I have to do is click on Add Section, and then I have two options. I can either choose one of the templates that I can find here. So for example, if I want to add a services section, then I can click on Services here and look at the different layouts that they have. So maybe I want to choose this one here. So I can just click on it, and then it will just be imported to my page, and I can start making changes just like we've seen before. But let's actually create a section from complete scratch. So let's delete this one first by clicking on Remove and confirming. And then let's click on Add Section again. And this time, let's click on Add a blank section so we can start from scratch. And now, as you can see, there's nothing in this section, so we can start adding each element individually. To add new elements, we can just go to Add Block on the left side. And then I'm going to start with an image, which I'm going to place here on the left side. Then I'm going to click on the section again to add another block. And this time I'm going to add some text. I'm going to move that to the right side. And I'm going to add some text which says about me. Then I'm going to add another text block. And then I'm also going to add a button below that text block. All right, now I have all the elements that I need for this new About Me section I'm building. So we can continue by adding content. So let's start with the image here. I'm going to go to the pen icon, and then I just drag this image into the box. Then I want the image to fill out the entire space of the element. So I'm going to go to Design and set this to Fill. And I'm also going to add a radius of, let's say, 25. And then I just need to make this image a bit larger, maybe like this. I want to also increase the area for this section. So I'll just drag this down, kind of like this. And then I can make this image even larger. I think something like this looks good. And then here for the title, I'm going to first of all set this to a heading. Let's set it to heading 2 to make it a bit larger. Then for the paragraph below, we're going to move this down a bit. And then here, I'm just going to use AI to create a quick paragraph about myself. Very cool. Now I can make this text a bit larger. So I'll just set this to paragraph 1 and then just drag this to the right side a bit, make this a bit smaller. And now I have some space for the button below this text element right here. And I think this looks pretty good. Now I just need to make this entire section a bit smaller again, like this. And there we go. Now we have quickly created a nice About Me section here from scratch.